Hi there, welcome back to Canvas Training Videos. This video here is talking about the course navigation, which is this bar right here. You may have noticed that different courses, they look a little bit different. Some have fewer or some have more items in the bar. So the reason for that is, while it is really nice that there are multiple ways to do most things in Canvas, when you're sitting in front of a class of 36 kids and they have 4 different ways of doing things, that can get a little bit difficult on your part. So sometimes it's nice to force students to follow a specific path. So for example, if you are using modules, you may want to make them go through the modules link in order to go step by step by step in order to get to the document or the assignment that you want for the day. On the other hand, if you are not using modules, you may direct them to use assignments or discussions. So it all depends on what you want. So the way you get to that is by clicking the settings. And then you have all of these options, but what we're looking for is navigation. So we have this list. So in this example, all of the options are available. You'll see some items are gray. In this case, because all of the options are up here and visible to students, gray just means that there's nothing in them at the moment, that it's not being used at all. Teachers and administrators can always click on any item in the left-hand navigation bar. It is not unavailable, but what the gray means is that students won't see them. So if we want to remove things from the list, we grab them and pull them below this line. So you drag items here to hide. So if I want to eliminate the chat feature and I'm not using collaborations yet, or conferences, or outcomes, I don't want them to get to the file cabinet. They don't need to be able to see a list of people. So this is one example, and then we're going to hit save. You can also reorder them so that your assignments, if you want assignments to be first, or if you want grades to come down, you want pages to be up here, you can reorder them. And now you can see over here we have more items that are gray. They always are visible to the teacher, however the students can't see anything that is gray here. We have this example here that is modules, which is gray, but it is above the line. That just means no modules have been created. So again, this is under the settings and the navigation bar, so you can adjust these items in the navigation to suit your needs. Thank you. Have a great day.